Hello, welcome. Today in this video I will show you how to change a wall lamp on the ceiling. So it's a situation where there was already a lamp which I'm changing for another one. The first thing we have to do is to cut the electricity on these points. The easiest thing is to shut down the whole electricity, and it's one button which is here. So now I cut the whole power in the house. So in case you need some power, for instance, for using your drilling machine, you can cut the whole circuit. So you can have a look on a short video about this, which is absolutely essential to watch in case you are a beginner. So now we have the certainty that there is no electricity in the circuit, so I can now go removing this applique. So now I'm removing the screws, I'm opening them, this will release the holder. Now I'm opening. Okay, so this here is a modern device because this is already there. It's extremely helpful. So now I will just click on the little dots here and remove the cables. I have the certainty that there's no electricity here, so I can touch the cables without any problem, nothing will happen. Now I'm removing this part here. And this part. We will change the lamp I just removed with this one, which is a new one. So here is the new. The first thing to do is, of course, to read the instructions. So here, this one, I first need to remove this little piece, which is comparable to the one I just removed. So now I will remove on both sides the screws which are holding the piece which I have to put on the wall. Now I will remove this part. So this is the part I will fix on the wall. So you see here, this is a little bit different than the other one, even though it's a new one. Here I have two dominoes, so this is for the neutral, and this is for the power. And here is also a screw where I will fix the earth line. So here we'll use the butts and the screws which were offered with the lamp when I bought it. Here I took this drill just to make sure that it's the right diameter. So this is a 6. I'm putting my drill on the screwdriver. And now I can go ahead. Now I'm taking the two butts, put them inside the hole I just made. Here it is foreseen for putting the wires inside this big hole. So no danger, there's no electricity. Second one. So first I will put here the earth. For this I need to unscrew this little screw. So I will make this, and we'll make a shape which is easier for going into the place where it's foreseen. This was slightly too much. Okay. Okay. Now the other cables. So I will first of all unscrew the dominoes on the side of the cable coming from the wall. Okay, now I will have to put all the wires hidden in this little place here. And this is sometimes a little bit difficult. So don't hesitate to press the cables. Okay. You have really to push very strongly because there's very few space in this lamp. So push hard. So finally, this little operation was a little bit complex. So this is the reason why it's classified in level 4. You are manipulating different tools, for instance, a drilling machine, a ladder, and of course you have to be acquainted about electricity. That's it, my friends. I hope that you found this video useful. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. I still have 2 other videos to propose to you in relation with lighting. The first one is how to fix a wall lamp on the wall, and the second one is how to fix a heavy lamp on the ceiling. Same thing than today, except that you have to manage the weight of the big lamp. So see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.